Can you please give a brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, I'm Santosh and I work for Brilio. I'm a senior software engineer and presently, sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. So you attended Straino's workshop today. Can you share your experience?
Yeah, it was really good. This really helped me out a lot, because earlier I was been stereotyped to work day-to-day life, and we didn't have any space to think about innovation or something. We're just doing work, day-to-day daily work. So this actually opened up many things. So I just want to change my work style now so that I can innovate more.
Okay. So if you have to explain this workshop in a word, good, bad, excellent or something, what would that be? Enjoy it.
It's excellent. Yeah.
Okay. How would you rate the trainer?
Yeah, he's good.
On a scale of 10?
I would rate him 9.
Okay. What did you enjoy most in today's workshop?
Yeah, the one was getting the customers' feedback and those stuff, like creating your own product and you need to go with, get it acknowledged from the customers and those stuff, and you have to go and speak to them directly. That was really a good thing, which really helped me out to come out of my system.
Okay.
And to know the customers' actual problems and those stuff.
Okay. So, is there anything that you would like to improve about the workshop?
I would say there are many things to do in the workshop, and I feel the time was a constraint. So if we can split it for 2 days or so, this might help, and you can still do more the things. So 1 day, I think it's less to.
Okay. So will you recommend this to your friends and colleagues?
Yeah, definitely I do so.
Why?
Yeah, because they are very much stereotyped now. People just work day-to-day life and they just see what is required and they just do it that way. They don't come with innovative idea also. So this workshop will really help them out to think differently and how to approach a problem and those steps.
Okay. What are your takeaways that you can use in your work tomorrow?
Yeah, one thing would be I would just have this problem board, and I'll ask people to just use that so that we'll come to know and what are the problems each and every people are facing without mentioning their names, so people will open up. And that was one of the things, catchy thing which I felt is good here in this thing. So then we can have some kind of session monthly or something, take every problem and we can suggest some solutions for that, and we can come out with those things.
Okay, so did you have a view of innovation before coming to the workshop, and how has it changed after the workshop?
Yeah, innovation was something which I thought we won't be doing it as such, because it's like what client wants us to do, we just do it and give it to now. Now it's something that it doesn't confined to only clients. It's our thought process, which even a small idea, an innovative idea, can actually bring up a big market for you. But it's just your thought process which has to change. So it has changed now. That I can get some ideas and I can start innovating and I can really market those things. And it doesn't depend upon your money or something else. It's just the idea and how do you implement it.
Thanks, Santosh.
Yeah, thank you.